Today, I'm going to walk you through how to take your mediocre baked chicken recipe to next level succulence, top-notch excellence. No failed juiciness, bone pulls out like it's nothing, meat falls off the bone like you deserve it. You need any cut of chicken. Your favorite is what I recommend. Some lemon pepper will go on. You also need all-purpose seasoning or chicken bouillon, smoked paprika, oregano, a pinch of cumin to bring that warmth we need in here. Garlic and ginger paste are aromatics we cannot afford to leave out. Some melted butter will go a long way to bring us that richness, but you can substitute with your olive oil or any oil or fat you love cooking with. And then you're gonna go in and start rubbing all this goodness in like you're trying to make something clear. Rub it in like you're trying to emphasize on how good this is about to be. All right, once you're done with that and everything is coated perfectly, you're going to cling film this because we need this to marinate. We need it to soak in all this goodness before we bake it. I had an hour today, but if you have more, go for it, even better. So after that, it's come out of the fridge where it was marinating. So what you're gonna do next is place them strategically. Arrange them in your baking pan. Any baking pan you have will work for this. Your aluminum baking pan, your stainless steel, your ceramic like I'm using, whatever. It goes into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. And on the 25-minute mark, you're gonna go in and you will see that there are juices that have been released. You want to reintroduce these lovely, delicious juices back to each chicken piece. And this is known as basting, using the same juices that came out of the chicken to coat them while they're hot and cooking helps the chicken to reabsorb those juices. All right, because you set out to make succulent, juicy baked chicken. Then return to oven for the next 10 minutes and boom, voila, done. You have your succulent, juicy baked chicken that's gonna hit all the spots that are hittable. And serve it with anything like jollof rice and cucumber salad, baked potatoes, fried rice and coleslaw, just name it. And don't forget to drizzle on a little more of those lovely juices. Now take a look at how succulent and juicy this chicken is. Oh, yes. This chicken was good. And what made it even better is how quick and how easy it was to put together. Now watch closely and appreciate how juicy, how fall off the bone, how pull out the bone like it's nothing this baked chicken quarter is. You saw that, so I needn't say any more. I appreciate you for watching, and I also hope that you have learned a thing or two and are inspired to try the recipe. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes friend. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.